everyone, welcome to my daily disasters news channel. Thanks for joining. Saudi Arabia heavy rain floods Jeddah for second time in weeks. Authorities issue weather warning in different cities as more rain is expected in the coming days. Heavy rain, thunder and lightning have hit several regions across Saudi Arabia throughout Thursday and Friday, causing streets in Jeddah to flood for the second time in a matter of week as more heavy rain is expected in the coming days. Footage shared online showed busy roads filled with water, with many cars carefully cruising through. Other videos showed vehicles almost entirely submerged in water. If you like my video, then please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.